The new iPhone 15 Pro Max is expected to include some of the largest enhancements in recent memory. Everything from the look and performance to the cameras and battery is expected to undergo significant modifications. Additionally, there may be a special feature reserved for the Pro Max that is absent from the standard iPhone 15 Pro. Here are the top 5 features of the upcoming iPhone 15 Pro Max. The first is the periscope telephoto zoom camera, which is the one standout feature that could help Apple reclaim the top spot on the best camera phone list. The iPhone 15 Pro Max will reportedly come with a periscope telephoto lens, which could potentially increase the zoom range from 3x optical on the iPhone 14 Pro Max to 6x zoom. Since titanium is stronger and lighter than aluminum, the iPhone 15 Pro Max and iPhone 15 Pro are both anticipated to feature a new titanium design. This could result in a more portable iPhone 15 Pro Max that is also better able to withstand drops and other types of damage. A different leaker claims that the iPhone 15 Pro and Pro Max will specifically use grade 5 titanium, according to the leaker Redditor. Over the past year, Apple has experimented with different titanium alloy blends to determine which one offers the best balance of strength, durability, and radio frequency function. Next is the A17 Bionic chip within the iPhone 15 Pro Max, which is predicted to be the first 3M processor in the world. Apple will be able to fit even more transistors inside its new chip, which should worry everyone else. In fact, the leaked iPhone 15 Pro benchmarks demonstrate a significant performance increase. The iPhone 15 Pro allegedly achieves 3269 in the single-core test and 7666 in the multi-core test on Geekbench 6. The iPhone 15 Pro Max, which comes in last on the list, is said to have an even larger 4,852 mAh battery, compared to the iPhone 14 Pro Max's 4,323 mAh battery. This is made possible by the iPhone 15 series' so-called stacked battery technology, which should allow Apple to increase battery capacity without expanding the battery's physical size. The iPhone 15 Pro Max may also see a significant price increase. This increase might be as much as $200, bringing the beginning price of Apple's largest and greatest new iPhone from $1,099 to $1,299. For comparison, the Galaxy S23 Ultra has an MSRP of $1,199. So with that being said, let me know your thoughts in the comment below. If you are new here, please subscribe. Peace out.